I mean, those winds are really intense out in the Panhandle. It's the same system bringing us the high winds for tomorrow. It is not going to be that extreme, however, so the impacts are going to be a little bit different. But I've got a lot on the map here that I want to show you. And what we're seeing is this plume of cloud cover just being piled into the state of Texas. It's being driven by this big area of low pressure that's bringing in a lot of the rain for California and the snow across the higher terrain there that's leading snow into the Rockies as well. So that is also driving some of this area of low pressure, the proximity, the closeness of those two, really increasing the winds right in the middle of those two systems. So you see there a lot of alerts, anywhere from winter weather alerts in the higher terrain to high wind alerts for areas like Southern California, areas of the Four Corners, and the high winds now prompting red flag warnings anywhere from areas of Nebraska, Kansas, all the way south into the state of Texas. So we've got these red flag warnings for the Texas Panhandle, areas of Oklahoma, and even that tan color that you see there, that's a fire weather watch. It's because of the low humidity, winds out of the south at 15 to 30, gusting over 30 at times, and temperatures well into the 90s. So you have this increase in fire danger for areas in West Texas and in the Panhandle as well. And unfortunately, what we're going to see are some of these winds really kicking up. So I'm going to show you through the day Wednesday. Wednesday, you get these 30-mile-per-hour wind speeds across areas of the Panhandle. Keep in mind, it's already very dry there. Tomorrow, those wind speeds are going to kick up also. This is around noon on Thursday, and we see the wind still at about 30 miles per hour near Lubbock. Areas closer to North Texas, we'll see 20-25-mile-per-hour wind gusts. That, in addition to the just abnormally dry conditions, keep in mind, we're still under a drought in some of these spots, really does elevate the fire danger. So I'm going to talk about these, but locally here, coming up in just a little bit. Back to you.
All right, Marielle, thank you for the update this morning as we